Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure Alight Motion supports the Shake XML you're using, and you back up your project first. Once done, move the XML into accessible storage and remember its path. This prevents lost assets. Now open Alight Motion, choose Import, and pick the XML file. Grant any asset and media permissions. You'll see the composition appear. Don't panic if layers look off, this is expected. Make sure to watch file warnings, so you can address missing fonts or footage before proceeding. Once the XML imports, you'll find a dedicated Shake effect layer. Solo it to focus and preview changes without distraction. You should adjust amplitude to control distance, frequency for speed, and decay so the shake fades naturally. Change the seed to alter randomness. Make sure to keyframe intensity across the timeline when the event should ramp up or calm down, and preview at reduced playback speed to catch jitter. If multiple layers interact, group them and apply the shake to the parent for consistent motion. To finish, render a short test export of the shaken section so you can evaluate real playback. Watch for cropping, harsh edges, or dropped frames. If you spot artifacts, reduce amplitude, lower frequency, or enable frame blending and motion blur to smooth transitions. Make sure composition scale and anchor points are correct. Misaligned anchors cause weird offsets. If the XML didn't load assets, re-import the missing media or recreate the XML with embedded assets. That one trick.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.